I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air, and let's talk about AC installation in Miami. Because in this climate, getting its size right matters more than the brand on the box. Here's the mistake we see constantly: a unit that's too big. It cools too fast, shuts off, and never runs long enough to pull the humidity out, so your house feels clammy and your energy bill is high. That's why every Sunny Bliss install starts with a manual load calculation. We size the unit to your actual home, not a rule of thumb. We install central air, heat pumps, and ductless mini splits across Miami-Dade and Broward. Our techs are trained weekly. We're a licensed Florida AC contractor. Our license is CAC 1823-45, and we've been doing this since 1990. We'll walk through SEER rating, financing options, and which system actually makes sense for your space and budget. No upselling. If you're replacing an old system or putting an AC in a new build, get a real quote from people who will be there in 10 years. Give us a call.